These are the newly modernized elevators at the Aiken Avenue and Public Garage at UPMC Shadyside in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These were originally, I don't know what these were originally, but then they were replaced with thyssenkrupp SPF impulses, but now they've been modernized by Otis. And both of these are legit, they keep repeatedly chiming. I think the wire issue. Our door checks original. Go to 8. Make sure you go up. Right away cabinet and blue lights. They got that LCD screen. Yeah, why would they mod these? These are only from like the early 2000s and now they've been modernized. And they have issues. Ready? They're definitely smoother, but they probably didn't really need a full mod. There's networking cables throughout there. They're currently renovating the door. Go back on the 188 phone. And then you'll see it's a basic stainless steel cab. Yeah, new walls. Probably the only thing that's original is the crossbeam. Yeah, I find the flimsy tin can cab. Yeah, they're the same cabs as the other garage. The Public Aiken Garage was those old Otis's with the EPCO SSL model. Those got modded in 2014 or 15, but this one, these ones just got modded like probably early in 2020. It wasn't that time yet.